Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use an Instagram shop. Instagram shop is designed to help users easily make a purchase of different products. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can use it. Log into Instagram and press on the Discover tab. Once the Explore page will appear on your screen, hit the Shop button at the top of the screen. You will see pictures of different products. Click on one of the pictures in order to open the product's description page. Here you can look through the product's photos and read description. Also, you can save it to a wishlist by tapping the bookmark icon, or you can press on the View on website button and buy this product. If you hit the three lines icon in the top right corner of the screen and choose the shop's directory option, you will be moved to the page where you can see what the brands you follow have in their Instagram shop and check other brand shops that Instagram suggests you. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use an Instagram shop. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.